Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the most divine strawberry sauce that will elevate your cheesecake to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned pastry chef or just a dessert enthusiast, this recipe is super simple and outrageously delicious. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to grab yourself some fresh strawberries. Yes, fresh is best because it gives that burst of natural sweetness we all crave. Now, if you can't find fresh, don't sweat it. Frozen strawberries can work too. Just make sure to thaw them properly before you start. Alright, take about 2 cups of strawberries and give them a good rinse. Then hull them. That means you'll want to remove the green leafy part and the stem. Next, chop these beauties into smaller pieces. Trust me, the smaller, the better for that perfect sauce consistency. Now, grab a saucepan and toss in your chopped strawberries. Add about a 1/4 cup of sugar to sweeten things up, a squeeze of lemon juice for a bit of zing. And let's sprinkle a tiny pinch of salt, which might sound odd, but it really enhances the natural flavors of the strawberries. Turn the heat to medium and let this mixture simmer gently. You'll want those strawberries to break down and get all juicy and fabulous. As it simmers, you can start mashing the strawberries a bit with a fork or a potato masher to help them along. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll see it turning into this glossy, thick sauce that smells just heavenly. Once it's looking good and saucy, take it off the heat. Here's a little chef's tip. If you like it smooth, you can blend it or pass it through a sieve. But I love leaving those chunky bits of strawberry. They add a wonderful texture to the cheesecake. And voila! You've just made a stunning strawberry sauce that's ready to be drizzled or, let's be honest, generously spooned over your cheesecake. It's a game changer, folks. Serve this up at your next gathering or just treat yourself to a delightful dessert at home. Either way, I promise this strawberry sauce will make your cheesecake the star of the show. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty recipes. See you next time.